From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Monday, State College. A little cloudy out there this afternoon, though. Skies are starting to slowly clear out as we head throughout this afternoon and into this evening, paving the way for a nice, clear, but cool night, which will allow for that radiational cooling or that warm air from the ground to escape from the surface with no clouds to trap it in tonight. But otherwise, we're sitting at a temperature of about 48 degrees here at Beaver Stadium, and it feels like 44. It's because it's a little breezy out there with a southwest wind of about 9 miles an hour. And again, partly cloudy to about mostly cloudy skies out there this afternoon. Next 12 hours, we'll see those temperatures top up in the lower 50s and mid 50s before slowly dropping down into the mid to upper 30s for overnight tonight, with lows in around the mid 30s. So with that, here's your satellite radar. Again, you can see those clouds slowly starting to fade out. Maybe a few rain showers across the southeast, but otherwise you can really see where those clear skies are, and they're slowly making their way across the Laurel Highlands and the northern tier and making their way towards central Pennsylvania. If we zoom out even farther, we can see that we have our area of low pressure that was here is now over here and is moving up towards the coast, and that will be bringing us again some more clear skies as we head throughout this week, with a few chances of rain though as we head into this week as well, which I'll get into in just a second. Temperature wise though, again, it's a little bit cooler than, or feels a little cooler than what it actually is. It feels like 44 in State College and it's actually 48. Feels like 43 in Clearfield when it's actually 49. 50-50 in Du Bois, 44-36 in Johnstown, again 49-42 in Altoona. So a little chillier compared to what it actually is. If we zoom out even more, we can see that Erie feels like 10 degrees colder than what it actually is. Pittsburgh 49-42, and Philadelphia, the warm spot of the state, once again set at a nice toasty 52 degrees. And speaking, it's a little cooler because of these winds. And winds are 23 miles an hour in Pittsburgh, 9 miles an hour in State College, 22 in Erie, creating that wind chill effect. And you add the gusts to that too. It's gusting to almost 30 miles an hour in Pittsburgh and Johnstown, 38 in Erie, so quite breezy out there for the western half of the Commonwealth. The eastern half of the state, though, not too bad in terms of the winds out there this afternoon, not that breezy. And speaking of temperatures too, temperatures are about 14 to 15 degrees above where they were this time yesterday. In fact, this morning these numbers were even higher. They were about 20 degrees warmer than where they were last morning, or Sunday morning, when we were seeing lows in the 20s. Well, now we're seeing temperatures in the 40s. So about a 20-degree temperature change from where we were yesterday, at least in the morning. Now the future satellite radar, those clouds will continue to clear away as we head throughout the night. We're getting a few streaks of clouds tonight, but then tomorrow should be mostly clear day during the daytime, and then we'll see those clouds build back in overnight. Maybe a few chances of an isolated rain shower, but otherwise though, it'll just be mostly cloudy. Again, there's those scattered to isolated rain showers for Tuesday and Wednesday. Not going to be a total washout. If anything, it's going to be about 5 to 10 minutes of rain, maybe snow if it gets cold enough, and then it's quickly out of here by Wednesday into Thursday. If we go farther into Thursday, we can see that skies will be mostly cloudy by about Thursday and Friday. Rain seems mostly to our south on Friday, but then watching the system for Saturday, might see some rain for Saturday, but Sunday too will be the best chance of rain overall this weekend. So for tonight, forecasting a low of 36 degrees with partly cloudy skies. For tomorrow, we'll up those temperatures a little bit to 52 degrees, seasonably sunny but gusty as well. And with that, on the 7-day forecast, you can really see that here. So Tuesday and Wednesday, a sunny day, but rain possible overnight on Tuesday. Then the rain tapers on Wednesday. Clear skies on Thursday, and then clouds building on Friday and sticking around throughout most of the weekend and into early next week with those rain chances on Sunday and Monday.